Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Learning Page. Let's dive into the video, how to use chatgpt step-by-step chat. GPT is a revolutionary AI language model that is taking the world by storm. Chat GPT full form is Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It is believed that Google's Bard is going to be its biggest competitor. ChatGPT login. The first step to use ChatGPT is to sign up on OpenAI and create an account on it. The following page will appear on your screen. Click on the sign up option in case the website is taking time to load. Then refresh the page or check back after some time after you have successfully signed up for ChatGPT. The next step is to verify your. If you signed up through your email ID, then a verification email will be sent to your inbox. Follow the link sent to your mobile phone and complete the verification process. Fill up the details asked and proceed. Now that you have successfully created an account on ChatGPT, you can begin to use it. It is simple and easy to use. Simply type any question that you wish to know about in the search bar. For example, if you want to know about the recipe of a dish, then simply type your query in the search box. Here is the screenshot of the ChatGPT search bar. Thank you.